April 9th, 2026, our bi-weekly cover crop check. We're standing in a field just south of the Dodge County Fairgrounds on a healthy soil and healthy water grower participant. We're in week 24 since the corn been combined, since the cover crop's been planted. We're in week 24. So, soil temperature, we're at 50 degrees. I've been remembering to bring my little thermometer out here. So we're at 50 degrees. Some of the roots that we dug up, take a peek. Hopefully this will show up on the video, okay? I know I ripped them a little bit, but root length, maybe about 7 inches, maybe a little bit more. Top growth, we're only at 5 inches at most. This would have been dug in the strip. So the ones that are in between the strip that are in the residue are not quite as tall as this, but I'll show that in just a little bit. Here's a scoop of soil that I dug up. This is in the strip. And we can see the white roots if it's showing up. You can see how deep it is. The roots themselves are not just going straight down. They're going in all different directions, which is good. So there's at least one earthworm in here. Just going through and pulling it apart. If it shows up, anything that's white, any root that's white, I mean that's the rye cover crop that's growing. This would have been a seed that would have got real buried or something. But this is what it looks like, 8 inches down or so. If it pulls up anything that's white, that's a cover crop. That's a rye root. And in our residue strip 2 weeks ago, we could see that the roots are just laying right on top of the ground. And this is residue I pulled away in a different spot. So there's some rye plants that are still that neon yellow. They just have not gotten any sunlight yet. But these roots themselves are the seeds are laying on top of the ground, if you can see that in the video, but the roots themselves are going in. So now when you pull it at, the roots are secured into the ground, and these are growing. So we had roots before, but now we've got the roots growing into the ground. Shoot a video going down a cornfield, and we can see that it's a lot greener than what it was 2 weeks ago. And we can see there's life going on above ground and there's life going on below ground.